us as we go through the city of Valencia and look for a nice place to have a drink at the Mercado Colón, Valencia. Look at all the artists here. There's one behind me, one right there, one right here, and one right here. Lots of artists, It's pretty cool. Look, I think they're all painting this building here. I think he's actually painting the trees, and these guys are painting this building here. I don't know the significance of this building. Oh, and there's another one over here too. Look at that. A lady this time. And another one over there. 5 artists in the park at one time. 5 artists, 1 park. Sounds like a good movie, yeah? Look at that, though. As we're on our way, we're waiting for the bus here to take us into town. I mean, to take us to the Lake of Valencia. But we might as well just check out some artists here. We just stopped by the Mercado Colón here, and we're gonna have a drink. But look at this crazy looking bar. Look at this place. Wow, look at this place. You guys want to go there? No, they don't. Where do they want to go? Cerveceria, eh?
Yeah.
There's
that
you.
One is only here, but here I think it's more elegant.
That's us, huh? Like this. Oh, you're gonna... There's little face figurine things. Always a fun time. But that bar looks crazy, man. Look at this. Whoa. This place is cool though, eh?
Yes, which one you like the best?
Where do you guys... It doesn't matter. I like them all. They all have beer, huh?
Yes.
Which one? This one?
This one is more cold.
Daniel's bar. Let's go Daniel's bar. Let's go Daniel's place. This is an artisano place. Well, he doesn't care, eh?
He doesn't care. I like more that one because we can see the
outside?
people walking. Yeah.
All right, let's go. Let's go see the people walking. Let's go watch some people walk. So this kind of market is different from the central market because this one's more of a drinking place. The other one is more of a eating place, I would say. 3. Perfecto. Perfect. Danny's hooking us up with a spot, a premier spot, a prime location. Yeah, it's pretty beautiful though. Where do you guys want to go? At this spot? Look at that.
Yo.
Yeah, DJ Danny.
Ese es un recorte que tiene que meter así entre los videos.
Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, this is kind of different. This is the kind of thing that Mickey and I will probably miss about Spain.
Yes.
You have like little gatherings of places to go and eat, and in Croatia, it's just us cooking at home, drinking by myself. But here, it's like, look at this. It's nice, huh?
Beautiful.
You like it? You gonna miss Spain?
Yes, of course.
Yeah, or are you gonna miss your family?
I'm going to miss my family. I'm going to miss going to new places and trying new things, crazy things, and having so much options to choose.
But now we get to eat at home instead of
in a fancy places.
well, I wouldn't put it like that. Instead of eating out, because it's better to eat at home.
Yeah, okay. I like your food anyways.
Sure, buddy. Yeah, but I don't know. That's the worst part about vacations.
Leaving.
Is leaving. It's going home.
Going home.
Going home, but
Wait, you have to
we're not going home. Oh yeah, chin chin. Chick chick. Like this, eh?
¿Sabes por qué es esto, no? Porque el que no apoya no folla.
If you don't put it down, you don't get fucked.
Oh. And I want to get fucked.
Quiero que me follen.
You gotta put it down and rub it. Oh yes, like that. Yes, if you want to get fucked. Chin chin, and then rub, eh? Chin boss, chin chin, chin chin, chin
Como
chin.
chin chin boss.
Chin chin boss, you're my boss.
No, I'm not your boss.
Who's the boss then? Me?
You are.
Ooh.
I have to do everything you want.
Y ahí.
Yeah, except for the right here, I'll put in the video where she beats me.
No.
Look at that. Tell me that's a beating. Eh? He's my witness. Eh?
No. Dice que sos el testigo de que yo lo cago a palo.
I didn't see anything. Eh?
No, que dice.
That?
It's the same one. Es la misma que estaba en la paella.
But they're wet.
No lo sé, es más pequeña.
You like? I don't know. It's weird. It's very weird. I never had some of that. It's good?
It's only inside. Okay.
Olives? It's,
Only inside.
Oh.
Inside, no.
I hate it.
Yeah?
I hate everything.
Muerde
Yeah.
y push. Okay?
El culito.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. Del culito
So,
apretas. Y
so
sale
she,
la carne.
she has told us to push.
Todo y como que...
Hay gente que se lo come con piel, pero hay gente que no. Yo no me lo
¿Qué
como
es?
con piel, por ejemplo. Es como una semilla. No sé cómo decirte.
So she
Pensé
said
que era lo
squeeze
que le
it.
ponían a la paella, porque venimos de comer una paella y tenía como una java o no sé qué.
Eso es el
So she said
garrafón.
don't eat the shell.
Es diferente totalmente. Es delicioso el garrafón.
No, por eso la comimos y dijimos, qué bueno.
Es diferente. Esto se come con la cerveza para... Es
Yeah, so
salado.
it
Hay
does.
gente que le pone aceite de oliva, más sal.
It does taste better.
Ya se habían
Tienes que
caído.
morder y ahora aprieta. Ya.
Hace un rato se comió un
Yeah,
caracol.
it tastes better, huh?
Ahora sí.
Does Enzo like
No?
it? No. No good stuff. No, he doesn't like it. Enzo, well, he a little bit. Hey, don't choke on it, bud. This is another
What?
typical Valencia thing, eh?
You want me to try it?
Yes. They give you this with your beer. It's like beer and peanuts. How is it? You gotta suck. Get through the butt of it. It says, what's it in Spanish? Suck it through the culo, eh?
Culito.
Culita. How is it? It's kind of good, eh?
Without the skin is better.
And yeah, it really just tastes like really salty. Yeah, I don't know. Really salty, but I don't know. It kind of grows on you. At first, it's like, what the hell is this? But now it's like, it's not so bad. It makes you want to drink more beer. That's why. That's pretty much why. It's really salty. Salty like your... Salty like a seaman, of course. What is a seaman, and why is he salty? He is salty because of all the whale sperm in the ocean. That is a seaman. Now carry on, Thisisbunjo. So Mercado Colom, it's a beautiful place. There's so many places here to have a drink and something to eat, a little snack. It's beautiful. You can go downstairs, upstairs. It's like an open air market kind of. Look at even at the beginning, you can see a bar. And you can have an Aperol Spritz a beer, a glass of wine, whatever you want, a ham sandwich, whatever, bud. But look at this beautiful neighborhood here in Valencia. Mercado Colón. And there's Enzo. But this is Bunjo. Thanks for watching, and click like, subscribe, and share, and always comment. Thank you guys. It's been a pleasure. Hope you like these videos. This guy's just dead. Look at him. Look how beautiful it is though, isn't it? Imagine coming here with your friends all the time. And it's not cheap, it's like $3 a beer. And here it is, look at it, inside. And you can see all the little stands on each side. And we stayed here. Here's Enzo, he's cruising. Enzo! See? Beautiful place. Whoa. The meat wagon is full. Look at that, eh? Look at this. Number 93 is packed. Watch out before you get on here, huh? How do you feel about this?
I'm okay because I'm sit down.